Okay, so last video, we added sprinting with stamina cost and jumping with stamina cost. So now we're gonna get an infinite gameplay effect that restores our stamina if we're not using it. All right. So once again, we're gonna make a folder called infinite, and from our stamina base class, which is gameplay effect parent stamina basic. I'm gonna select GE stamina. I guess we can call it player stamina. Oh, stamina. Oh, just call it not even player. It's stamina region. Stamina region. So it's not a damage type. You can remove God. So regains. You can remove God because sure, give me more mana or stamina. Okay, so attribute we're gonna add, and we're actually gonna use attribute based because we have an attribute in gas right here, player base. So we have stamina regen, right? We have stamina regen rate, so we're gonna use that as an attribute. And the backing attribute we selected, or is it stamina regen rate? And you can snapshot it if you want. Attribute source. Attribute source is source, so whoever has this effect. And instead of instant, you make it infinite. And how often you want to apply it, right? So I'm gonna do 10 stamina a second. So we're every 0.1 seconds, we're gonna get 1 stamina. So that's 10 stamina a second. And you can remove this gameplay cue. And that's it. So you'll need any of these, obviously, but we just set up this part right here. So you set it to the attribute of stamina. We're gonna add based on an attribute, which is stamina regen rate. And that's it. So now we have to give it to the character. So we go here and granted effects. We do a plus sign and stamina regen. But now, as you can see, we're not taking. If we do an ability, it still goes up. So we never run out of stamina when we're running, right? So let's fix that. Okay, so sprint. Now we're actually going to start using the tags. So activation on text. Tags to apply to activating owner while this ability is active. So the owner of this ability is going to get these tags while we're using it. So we're going to add a new tag. Gameplay effect. Damage type. Stamina. Right? We made this tag earlier. And we're taking damage of stamina. We don't want to regain stamina while we're taking damage. So if we have this tag, we go here, ongoing tag requirements, must not have tag damage type stamina. If you have that tag, you will not regain stamina. You can see we're gonna debug this. So if we're running at the top, we have gameplay effect damage type stamina. And as you can see, we're not regaining stamina. And as you can see in G's stamina region, it has 2 red question marks, which it means it's being blocked. And now it's not being blocked. We stop, right? So that is how you block a gameplay effect from giving you stamina. And again, we're gonna add this tag to the jump, because jump also has a cost, right? For jump, activation on tags, we do stamina, damage type stamina. Again, while we're jumping, you don't regain stamina, which is perfect. It's exactly what we want, right? If you don't want this, you can take it off. It's just one tag away. Just delete that. Also, don't forget to change all your abilities to instance per actor. Keep forgetting, because I'm using two projects to do this. Instance per actor. All right. So, okay, so now that we have all our basic movement and jumping and sprinting, we are making a combat game. So we're gonna add a weapon to the character on the next one, and after that, we're gonna start applying damage to NPCs and stuff. All right. See you then.